Hello and welcome from SPS IPC Drives, November 2017 in Nuremberg. My name is Jürgen Hanrod. I'm responsible for IoT cells for Cisco systems in Germany, and we're here with our partner Hopf on the booth to demonstrate our solutions for Industry 4.0. The most important topic in this year's SPS is TSN, time-sensitive networking, and of course OPC UA. This all built on the Cisco Secure One network is exactly what we are demonstrating here and at other booths like at B&R, ABB and all the other industry vendors. First of all, TSN is exactly what we need to bring deterministic Ethernet into the production networks of our customers based on the security portfolio Cisco is developing in the IEEE standard base. OPC UA, of course, is about bringing context to all the data we want to pull from the machines and bring this data up to higher levels in the automation pyramid just to make data usable for our end customers. One important topic, of course, is to bring all these devices in the industrial networks to life. For this, we have here the product IND Industrial Network Director, which actually brings you a management interface to enable and manage all these devices in your Industry 4.0 implementation. So one other important topic we demonstrate here is Kinetic. Kinetic is the solution to bring those devices that are actually mobile connected onto your network, manage them and securely connect them to your processes and machines. The way Kinetic can work is that we start with a dashboard view on any device that is connected to your network. From the overview of the gateways, we can simply claim a new gateway to your networks. The only thing you need for that is the serial number of your router. You put it in here and actually assign it to a certain profile and simply click on claim. From there, everything else happens in the background. So the router is going to be configured, brought onto your network, and once all this is done, you see it as a healthy new gateway in your list.